Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that the battery level of your headphones is not reliable. So, let's start with the very beginning. If your battery level is not reliable at all, you need to at first try charging them up to 100%. Charge them, and leave them for extra 20 or 30 minutes after hitting the 100%. You can see this percent level in your phone actually all the time. I know that it may be unreliable, but it's not about reliability now, it's about the battery calibration. After this, you need to try using your headphones normally, and you need to check if it works. If it does not work still, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. But apart from that, you can try actually connecting your headphones to a different phone, different source, different device to check if the battery level is still unreliable. And why is that? Your device may read the battery level incorrectly, and this may be just a software bug, and on other phone this probably won't happen. If this happens a lot on other phone also, you need to of course do something about it. And as last resort, you can perform the factory reset on your headphones, but this is the only thing that you can actually do. How to perform the factory reset? Find this button right here or over here and keep holding this button for 10 seconds once your headphones are turned off. And this should actually fix your issue. That's it. Bye!